In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Chatgpt O3-Mini API key in just 5 minutes. To begin with, you'll need to log in to the OpenAI API platform. Simply head over to the OpenAI website and use your login credentials to access your account. If you're not already registered, ensure you sign up by following the instructions provided on their site. Once you're logged into the OpenAI platform, the next step is to navigate to the billing section. This can usually be found under your account settings or directly from the dashboard. Clicking Go to Billing will take you to a page where you can manage your account's financial aspects, such as reviewing your current plan, checking usage, and understanding any associated costs with the API services. After you've accessed the billing section, look for the API keys option in the menu. The API keys section is essential because this is where you will either view existing keys or generate new ones. Clicking on this will bring up all necessary options related to the management of your API keys. Now, focus on creating a new secret key. You'll often find this option prominently displayed as Create New Secret Key. This step is crucial as generating a new secret key will allow you to assign it to specific applications, thereby ensuring your projects can interact with ChatGPT's functionalities. Once you've selected to create a new secret key, you'll be prompted to name the key and assign it to a project. Naming your key is an excellent way to keep your keys organized, particularly if you plan on managing multiple projects or applications. Choose a descriptive name that reflects the purpose of the key or the project to which it will be applied. Don't forget to select an appropriate project from the available list or create a new one if necessary. This will help with managing usage and permissions later on. With your name and project selected, the next step is to hit Create Secret Key. This action completes the process of key generation. Once you click this, the system will generate a new API key for you and display it on the screen. Be sure to copy this API key immediately and store it securely, as it may not be displayed again for safety and security purposes. You can now integrate this key into your applications to begin using the powerful functionalities of ChatGPT. And that's it! You've successfully obtained your Chatgpt O3-Mini API key. I hope this guide was easy to follow and helps you unlock new possibilities for your projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.